So now let's talk about relief. Now relief is basically style for the widget, and we have 5 main styles. They are flat, raised, groove, ridge, and sunken. To understand that more, create a button, and this button will be TK button, and we add that to the window, and finally button dot grid, not ridge, grid column 0 row 0, and we need some text here, so text will be button, and finally we add relief. Now relief will be tk dot, let's try flat first and run. Now you can see it's almost like it's not visible. Let's remove relief and see the difference. Now you can see that the button is raised a little bit. You have some shadows on the right, and flat just makes it flat. You can see it's like a label actually now looks like. The other ones are raised. Let's run this, and raised is the default for the button. Now groove, let's see groove, and it looks like it's a little bit sunken into the window. Let's compare that to sunken and run. Now sunken is not a little bit, a much bit, or bit extra. And ridge, run. It's not clearly visible, I think, for you guys, but it looks like a border. So it's a thick border, a raised thick border to be exact. So that's it for me, guys, in this video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.